Video editors are basically cooked. You know what? Let's reframe it completely. Video editors can now use AI to do their work for them so they don't have to edit anymore. Check this out. I'm literally going to take a video that I just recorded just now and I'm going to drop it into the upload to all business channels folder. After I do that, this app is going to literally take that raw footage and is going to edit it exactly according to my perfect AI prompt. Now, what you're about to see on your screen is the perfect AI prompt that I've sat down and made sure is exactly to specification according to what I want, how I want my video to be edited. And the best part about what I'm saying is that you're about to see the entire prompt. So make sure you either screenshot the prompt or ask for it. Because when you plug it into this new app called ZippyClip, which is an AI video editor, it's not only going to read and listen to your entire prompt, whatever it is, it's going to literally also publish to all your channels. So check this out. It's transcribed the entire video and the next step is to perform the prompt which I asked for. So check this out. It's about to start working on the video based on the prompt that I gave it. Check this out. Alright, here's the prompt, the one I was talking about. This is my master prompt. That's all you need. You video editors and even people who don't video edit, all you have to ever do is write one time a prompt as big as this. It's like writing an essay, and all of a sudden from now on you never have to ever do any more editing anymore, because this prompt is your edit. This is what you want the video to look like. This is exactly what you want AI to do for your video. So as you can see, it's telling me what it's doing. It's looking for the character in the image to make sure that it knows where the speaker is so that it can put the effects away from the speaker or behind the speaker. Check it out. It's adding effects everywhere. It's adding a little comment bubble. It's adding some messenger conversations based on what I've asked for in that master prompt. If anyone has a chance to read it, you'll see what I've asked for, and you'll see how this AI video editor is literally going to adhere to exactly what you asked for. Now, why is this so amazing? Because it can literally create effects for you using this new thing called Zippy effect, which basically creates effects that are based on what you want. So if you wanted, let's say, a little comment bubble to pop up somewhere on the screen in a very animated way, it will create it for you. Now, recently there's been new functionality added where you can pre-create your effects, meaning you go into the pro section and you pre-create your special effects. I talked about this in a separate video, and that way you can pre-choose what your effects will be. Additionally, it has a sound effects database which you can switch on and off sound effects to give the AI access to use them. You can also add your own sound effects, or you can edit the available sound effects. If you're already a video editor, you know you want the highest quality sound effects. Now, don't get me wrong, these sound effects are amazing, so you don't need to switch them. Hey, check this out. You just saw that. This is the comment that's being added, and it's showing me the effects that are being added to the timeline one at a time. So as you can see, this is, for example, the applause sound effects. It can be used by the AI whenever you ask for it. Also, there's background music. You can probably hear background music in this video as well. But as you can see, can you see the effect being added to the timeline? So here's the background music. You can also switch these off and on, or add your own background music over here. And here are the volume options that you can decide on so that it will use them on your video without being too overpowering. But at the moment, what you're seeing on your screen is AI is listening to my prompt and editing the video accordingly. So you can see that happening right now. All of these purple loading bars are different effects being created and then put on the timeline. Check it out. So here is a chat, like a messenger type chat, and it's being added to the timeline. And once it's all ready, it will literally publish to all of your business channels. Now, it can publish to Facebook, X, YouTube, TikTok, and YouTube. I said that already. But basically it actually does it automatically. So all I did in this video, and you saw this, you are my witness, all I did was I dropped a video file into a folder. How did I achieve this? The way you do it is you get this app first of all, and then you click on the automate function. The automate button is over here on the top. You can't even see it. Let me just try and show it to you. You click on this automate button and it will literally let you create automations. Check this out. Follow for more amazing ways to create amazing content that will get you to the top of your field. See you in the next video.